So there's a lesson in what not to do. Don't do too many things at once. Because I need to try to keep the chickens out of the neighbor's yard. I don't have a fence right now. I'm working on it. But it really wasn't ideal to leave the hive open while I did that. Oh, and look, these two are propolized together. They're coming up together. But it really wasn't a good idea to leave the hive open while I did that. Because with this wind, it could still chill the brood a little. More honey. Okay, getting a little worried now that I haven't seen any brood. Come on, wind, stop. Other straight cloth. And I'm just going to wait a second until the wind dies down a little bit. I'll pump my smoker while that works. Yeah, it got nice and overcast just as soon as I decided to come out here and play with the bees. I was inside. Oh. And there's our local hawk taking a look at my chickens. Yeah. Alright. Come on, calm down. Well, my smoker is working good. Have I said yet, if you haven't practiced with your smoker, be sure to practice with your smoker? Okay, wind is dying down a little bit. So we're going to pull one more frame in our quest for brood. I mean, there's lots of pollen coming in. That makes me think that they've got to be raising some brood in here somewhere. Because queenless bees, bees with a failing queen, tend to be all about the honey. They tend to be way angrier than this. There's pollen. There's honey. Maybe it's all down at the bottom. Okay, so this one concerns me just a little bit because I do not, at the moment, see evidence of brood. But maybe, as I said earlier, my old eyes can't see things. Let's look in the center here, and I'll review this really closely, but it's getting kind of cold and dark, so I really don't want to go any further down. But on another day I shall. Perhaps tomorrow, and if not, I might even come home a little early on Monday or Tuesday when it's supposed to be beautiful, sunny, and a swarmy kind of day. And on that day that I get to come back, I will definitely be making a split from Gladriel. I'll be taking something from Gladriel. And I may be giving it to this hive, Lillith, in order to bulk her out. And I may be making a split as well. So that's it.